Hi, and today we'd like to teach you how to set up a table counter. First of all, you got your printing and you got your table counter right here. All you need to do is unbuckle this. In the inside of this counter, you have 4 legs and 2 joint connected. Very simple. Grab your base, connect all 4 joints to each side of this hole. Once all of the 4 joints are connected, connect these 2, where it makes sure that your 4 joints stay still and strong. Just in here, pop sound. Top. Take the top base from below, just to pop it on. Make sure that all the joints goes inside so it doesn't run away. The last type of process is get your printing for your table counter. Cable. So all I need to do is unplug this and then wear it as if it's wearing clothes. Now for the top part, make sure to clip the tube so it doesn't run off. Here you can adjust the cloth as you see fit. For the down part, make sure everything's nice and clean from the top. You move it upside down. When you reach to the top, make sure to finalize the clip so that it doesn't run off. Alright, once done, you can flip over again. Once more. Your printing plastic and put inside, and a lid to close it. And there you have it, your own very set table counter. Oh, see you soon.